the people who hurt you didn't even ask for forgiveness, just forgive them.
How was your journey into like forgiving?
Alam mo, I viewed forgiving not for other people but for myself. Because if I'm gonna carry all this pain, all this heaviness, all this hatred in my heart, ako lang din yung mahihirapan.
Mm.
So, when I was young talaga, dun na ako nagsimula na just let things be. Just let things go. Even if the people who hurt you didn't even ask for forgiveness, just forgive them. Kasi it's not gonna do you good. Talaga, if you're gonna hold on to the things that happened to you, na isisisi mo lahat ng nangyari sa buhay mo to those people, na you're gonna put the blame on them kung ba't ka malungkot, kung bakit ka nasasaktan, kung bakit ganyan yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. And anong magagawa sa'yo nun? Like,
Mm.
wala. Puro bigat lang sa puso. So, what I do to forgive people is I understand where they're coming from, why they do things. With my father, I understand that these kids, kasi they're still babies pa talaga. So, these babies need a father figure. These babies need someone to take care of them. And kami kaya naman namin. Ako kaya ko naman. I can deal with it. So I think dun nagsimula na mas iniintindi ko yung naging reason behind those actions na kung saan nasaktan ako, kung bakit nila yun ginawa in the first place.